Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I just want to focus on the shorter time frame in this video. In yesterday's video we also covered the daily chart, but in this video we don't need to repeat that. The daily chart really has not changed. So XRP, as I said yesterday, we could be either in a larger ABC structure or a wave 4 triangle. They are both wave 4 patterns. So the blue scenario allows for the interpretation that a third wave from the top. So the third wave is normally the strongest element of a rally, right? And that might have topped actually already here on the 3rd of December. And we are now in this ABC structure, but the structure looks a little bit strange for an ABC because the move down doesn't really look impulsive. So either way, I don't have a very clear micro count here on the way down. Sometimes we can see it that these ABC structures transform and morph into so-called WXY patterns. Let me show you. It is quite common in crypto, or it has been quite common. It's not been so common in this cycle. We haven't seen these WXY structures very often. But what is a WXY structure? A WXY, one second, just want to move the Fibonacci box here a little bit to the right. This is a general target area for this leg down. Well, in this, these are scenarios where we have a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, and the move down is also in 3 waves. The standard correction is normally 3, 3, 5. But it doesn't look like a 5-wave move down. I can see that based on the proportions and the Fibonacci levels. So it's just something to be aware of. In this case, the Y wave is an ABC structure. So this, it could be an A wave. We're moving up in a B wave and would then come down in wave C. How do we know which one it is? Well, it's difficult to say. It would require a break below the last swing low, Friday low, that formed here when the price retested the green breakout line again from above, because we had a breakout from below early in December, and this was just a retest. So this is something I'm considering definitely a valid scenario. Resistance for the B wave, blue wave B, it is between 230 and 253. So if this is a B wave, then ideally we would expect a reversal to the downside from here, from this area, and a break below that 196 level, and then the price could enter that blue zone below, and it is between 139 and 180. But as long as we're holding above that 196 level, so the last swing low, also the yellow scenario is valid, and the yellow scenario suggests an Elliott wave triangle that might stretch a little bit more sideways. In this case, we have an A, B, C, D, E pattern. A wave 4 can be an ABC structure. It can be a WXY or a triangle. So all of these are wave 4 scenarios, and really they only differ in the detail, really. And the main level that helps us distinguish between that blue scenario and the yellow one, well, that is the $1.96 level. It is that last swing low. So as long as we're holding above it, it is possible that we are just forming a triangle here and we break out to the upside, for example. So in this triangle pattern, we would like to see another lower high and a higher low before we go higher. Okay, so this is a rather shallow scenario, or shallow sideways scenario, very common in a wave 4. You need to be prepared for that, and it's very clear that there's one invalidation point for a triangle, and that is the $1.96 level. Please note, below that level, we're not necessarily going to crash down, but might just form a marginally lower low, targeting the blue zone between 180 and 139. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.